The switch or commutes the sign of AC and DC electrical circuit. The slide which features to and from movement of the control along the switch body. The switches have slides for 2, 3, 4 or 6 fixed positions. Here the contact system allows performing several electrical directions at the same time, and it can be connected to instrument circuits through the printed circuit board. Besides, there are so-called module slide switches, where several switches are combined in one body or module. Accidental actuation of the slide element is not possible due to the switch design. Usually these switches are referred as deep switches in literature. The main parameters of slide switches are the following: switching force, isolation resistance, switching current, switching voltage, maximal commuted weight. Slide switches are used in household appliances as well as in industrial equipment.